Hi, my name is Kiki.
I'm Wyatt.
We're from FacePaintcom, and this is a split cake vampire. So now I'm gonna cover his whole face with this white face paint, and I'm using a sponge. And I'm just gonna get it in there evenly. Turn your head this way. Get all the little corners. And you wanna just make sure it's all even. And for a vampire, I like this kind of, like you can kind of see the skin a little bit showing through. I think it makes it look a little more authentic for a vampire. So it's more like makeup and less like face paint looking. Okay, and there you go, that's step one. So now I'm going to do his eyes, and I'm using this split cake, and I'm going to take the black part of the split cake and make that the eyebrow. So the black part is on the top of the brush, and then there's gray on this part. And I'm just gonna go like this. So it's gonna go kind of like a diagonal to make an eyebrow. So like that, and kind of go up like that. And that's a really easy vampire eyebrow. So I always think vampires' eyes should be purple. I'm just gonna fill that in. You wanna make sure it's not too wet. This is a little bit wet, so. If it's ever too wet, just get a little more paint and just cover the rest of the eye and kind of make it even with the eyebrows so it looks nice and clean. And then I will do the other side. Same thing. I'm using a flat brush for this, but you can also use a round brush, that would work too. You might want to go in with a smaller brush. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna have him open his eyes. Can you open your eyes so I can see what it looks like? Okay, cool. So that's the second step of the vampire. So now I'm gonna do his lips and his mouth. So I'm gonna be doing the lips first, and then I'm gonna make teeth on either side for the vampire. Teeth, fangs, I mean. So I'm gonna use a red. It's really good if you have kind of like a brownish red, so I'm just mixing a red with a little bit of brown, so it's more like blood. I think for a vampire, it's always good to have a blood-like red. Okay, so I'm just doing his lips. I want them to be a little bit browner, so I'm just going to mix it a little bit, a little darker. And then the next step is to get some white, put it on a small brush, a detail brush, and you're gonna create fangs on either side. So there's one on this side. I like to make them kind of long, not too long, but not too short. Just kind of maybe like halfway down the face. And then on the other side, I'm going to outline. So just a really thin line on either side. And then sometimes I'll go back again and go in with a little more white Cool. And there you go, that's the third step. Thanks for watching. All the products are listed below, and don't forget to subscribe.